Today I'm going out and I'm going to meet a friends. It's rainy day.
Why did you put your jacket on the floor?
It's okay, I will pick it up. Yan ang kanyang susuotin na gown niya. Pagbibihisan daw niya yan. I think this one I bought it from Philippines. That one. Yan.
Lola, you did.
I did, yeah. I bought that one from Philippines. And what is the other one? Anong character yan?
It's
Anong
the
costume?
nutcracker dress.
Nutcracker dress.
Maganda yung kanyang quality. From Sainsbury's.
Pwedeng tanggalin yung kanyang gown. Si Nutcracker daw. Yan ang una niyang dress. Tapos magbibihis siya ng yan siya. Yan yung kanyang after yung Nutcracker gown niya. Yan ang kanyang ipapalit. Tapos meron din siyang happy birthday. Happy 4th birthday. Ayan, yung kanyang dress. Beautiful. But, sad to say, I'm not staying here today for her birthday party dahil I'm going to meet a friend also of mine. Like what I say, tapos na kami last weekend for the mommy's side.
Just staying here for a bit.
My darling.
Just staying here for a bit.
I'm going to meet now my friend also. And you can call Sarah and Sage to come over.
Mama, can I Sage come?
Ayan, si Amber, iiwan. I'm going to leave you today. And I will see you either later or tomorrow morning. Okay. And have a great Saturday.
Saturday.
Ayan siya. So, wala pa yung kanyang mga mga pinsan sa kabila. So, tell me later about all your party, okay? Don't eat too much sweets. Ayan guys, naulan sa London today. Saturday. Papunta ako sa friend ko. Bibisitahin ko sila after 1 year. Oh, ang laki ng cactuses nila.
Sabihin ko, naintindihan ako ni Lord.
Ay, si Carlin.
Oh, yun na nga, babae nga magiging anak. Ay, maghahanap pa ng high heel.
Oo.
Natatai ako.
Ay, ayoko na maghanap. Ito na lang.
Sana na pinagawa muna tayo ng buko panda na sabi na.
Ano lang, mababa ko na namin pa doon. Maraming pagkain doon.
Ano ang ating ticket? Baka manalo.
Ang ganda nga ng Hindi, binibidyo ko nga yung magandang flower. Pab. Oo, di ba?
Hindi kayo. Oh, malamig. Bibili yung plus on kayo.
Ang ganda ng mga flower.
Plus, walang ulan na
Kasi muna kayo ganyan. Mga bulaklak.
Yes.